Hello and welcome. Today is Thursday, the 22nd day of January 2015. My name is Derek, and welcome to a quick silver chart update right now as of 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Price action in at 1832, up 20 cents, a little over 1%. And I'm a little surprised about this actually after yesterday's action that brought it to about 18.5 or so. Fallen back down to 18. I felt that this thing was going to correct through time a bit or maybe make a test of the 18 average of highs, but so far the market's looking as if most likely today, but probably by tomorrow, a test of this Fibonacci level of 18 2/3, but even on the weekly time frame, the test of the low 19s would not be a surprise to come into play. After all, you break the significant resistance. That tells me we're going to be in a bull market on this time frame, the daily time frame, so it's doing what it usually does. I brought up some interesting stats yesterday where the best percentage gain since 1968, with the best month being 1979. Now it's interesting that the open of December is actually higher than what the current price is now, and it even gained 70% that particular month. However, you got some interesting months here like May of 2009 where it was up 27%, but it doesn't look like it on here. And no, it was never at $13.82 in 2011. I don't know how this data got bugged, but I'm going to do this all over again. I'm not going to make another image like this, but I'm going to sort it within the data. So I'm going to bring up a spreadsheet, empty spreadsheet program, which we have in here, and I need silver data for the month. And this is what this is, the monthly data, which is available in the more information box below under the data folder. So this goes back to 1968. So let's select all of this data and bring it into the spreadsheet. There we have it. So to find percentage gain for the month, what I need to do is I need to take the close, subtract the open, and then divide it by the open again. So that's a 9.8% loss, and we'll copy and paste this all the way down. 564. It's been 564 months from 1968 to 2014. So there we have it all, and we will now sort it. And I want to sort it by descending order, highest number to lowest on column H. And there we have it. So December 31st, 69.4%. If you look at these numbers, they'll be the exact same percentage-wise. But you can see here that the open on April 2011 was supposed to be 37.63 and not 13.82. May of 2009, it is 2050. No, it's supposed to be 12.34. But anyway, these are the top 10 monthly gains. Now, if you're interested how I figured this out, this is an extremely easy calculation for if it's going to be better than 69.5%, what I need to do is take the 1572. So we'll take equals 1572, multiply this percent, plus 1572, and that would give us a matching number. So what I'm going to do is just add a penny to it, which comes to 26.65, which is how these numbers come into play. So it's realistic at 1901 that it can make the top 10 for the month. So I'd like to thank you for watching today's video, and I'll catch back with you again on the weekend. Take care.